If you've ever worked on a presentation that involves math, formulas, or technical details, you've probably needed to type a cube symbol at least once. It's tiny, it's simple, but if you don't know where it is, it can definitely slow you down. So today, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to type a cube symbol in PowerPoint, something every student, teacher, and professional should know. First, make sure PowerPoint is open and your presentation is ready to go. If you haven't created one yet, go ahead and start a new blank presentation. Once you're in, head to the slide where you want the cube symbol to appear. Click inside the text box so you can see the blinking cursor. This tells PowerPoint you're ready to type now for the part most people don't know. PowerPoint supports special characters through keyboard codes, and the cube symbol is one of them. All you need to do is press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding it down, type 0179 on your numeric keypad. As soon as you release the Alt key, the cube symbol will instantly appear. If it doesn't show up, double check two things. First, that you're using the numeric keypad, not the numbers at the top of your keyboard. And second, that you held the Alt key for the entire sequence. When done correctly, it works every time. This shortcut works thanks to Unicode, the universal system that gives every symbol its own code. So once you learn a few of these, you can insert all kinds of special characters without digging through menus or searching online. And that's all it takes. Now you know how to type a cube symbol in PowerPoint quickly and professionally. Try it a couple of times and it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope this simple trick helps you create cleaner, more polished presentations. Happy creating!